As a Man Thinketh, by James Allen is a classic self-help book that explores the power of our thoughts and beliefs in shaping our lives. In this short but powerful book, Allen argues that we are the masters of our own destiny, and that by controlling our thoughts, we can create the life we want. The book begins with the premise that our thoughts create our reality. Allen argues that everything we experience in life, whether good or bad, is a result of our thoughts and beliefs. He goes on to explain that our thoughts are like seeds that we plant in our minds, and that they will eventually grow into our reality. One of the key themes of the book is the importance of taking responsibility for our thoughts and beliefs. Allen argues that we cannot control the events that happen to us, but we can control how we react to them. By taking responsibility for our thoughts and beliefs, we can choose to focus on the positive and create a more fulfilling life. Another key theme of the book is the power of positive thinking. Allen argues that by focusing on positive thoughts and beliefs, we can attract positive experiences into our lives. He provides practical advice for cultivating a positive mindset, including affirmations, visualization, and gratitude. Throughout the book, Allen emphasizes the importance of self-discipline and perseverance. He argues that achieving success and happiness requires hard work and dedication, and that we must be willing to put in the effort to achieve our goals. One of the strengths of As a Man Thinketh is its timeless wisdom. Despite being written over 100 years ago, the book's message is still relevant today. Allen's insights into the power of our thoughts and beliefs are just as relevant now as they were in his time. Here are 3 things that people can use and how to use them from the book As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. 1. The power of thought. James Allen's book emphasizes the power of our thoughts and how they shape our lives. The way we think determines the way we feel, act, and ultimately the results we get in life. The book suggests that by changing our thoughts, we can change our lives for the better. To use this idea, you can start by paying more attention to your thoughts and identifying negative ones that hold you back. Once you become aware of these negative thoughts, you can replace them with positive ones that empower you to take action towards your goals. 2. The importance of self-discipline. Another key lesson from the book is the importance of self-discipline. James Allen believes that success in life comes from mastering our thoughts and emotions, which requires discipline and practice. To use this idea, you can start by setting small goals for yourself and developing a daily routine that helps you stay focused and on track. This could include things like meditation, exercise, or journaling, which can help you cultivate greater self-awareness and self-control. 3. The law of cause and effect. Finally, As a Man Thinketh teaches the law of cause and effect, which suggests that every thought we have creates a corresponding result in our lives. If we think positively, we attract positive outcomes, and if we think negatively, we attract negative outcomes. To use this idea, you can start by becoming more mindful of your thoughts and beliefs, and how they might be influencing the results you're getting in life. You can then work on changing any negative or limiting beliefs and replacing them with more positive ones that align with your goals and aspirations. Overall, As a Man Thinketh is a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their mindset and create a more fulfilling life. Through its practical advice and timeless wisdom, the book offers readers a roadmap for achieving success and happiness by taking control of their thoughts and beliefs. Thank you for watching and have a great day.